Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YECO. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. This thing was an absolute monster today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and gigantic volume, well above average, and a lot of eyeballs on this one. I traded it today, disclosure's sake. I don't own anything right now, but I definitely will be looking to potentially trade it tomorrow. This was first alerted, the power of hindsight, but in our private chat room we were alerted at like $3.50, $4. And then to see that, where it ultimately went from that point. Should have just bought and held, but that's why we're all millionaires in our hindsight trading accounts, I suppose. But yeah, let's get some levels mapped out from a support and resistance standpoint. First level of support to keep an eye on. Like I said, these are the levels that I'll be watching, is right there at that $9 mark. As it stands right now, you can see a couple of times the price went right around that $9 mark and, held very, very nicely. So that'll be an initial area of support. One thing to note before I forget, after hours trading, as I talk right now, it's actually up above $13. Now, keep in mind, there's still more after hours trading, and then you have all of pre-market trading on Thursday. So where this actually opens up, I don't know, but there is a lot of crazy, post-market trading right now. But I'm just going to, take the chart at face value right now because, like I said, as far as where it opens, your guess is as good as mine. But $9 without doubt is a key level of support. As far as areas of, I better map out one more just in case that $9 mark does not hold. The next level that would catch my attention would be down there around the $7 mark. And then just in case there's a bigger pullback, which could very well happen given how volatile this one. After $7, next key level right down there around $6.25. So these will be the levels of support that, like I said, I'll personally be watching, and we'll see, how the price reacts with them. What about areas of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, initial batch of sellers right there around the $12 mark, and then after 12, just simply where the party stopped today, and that was up there at $13.20, although right now you can see price is up at $13.50, so we'll see what happens with it. But like I said, I traded this one today. We got 273 out of it, so didn't do the best trade in it, but I'm happy with it. But, that's going to be the current status of things. So like I said, where it opens up, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I know I'll be watching it tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.